Now I want to see how we can select or input data using various techniques. Let's say we just want to come up with a small table here where we put the name of the person, and then we put their city, where they come from, and probably their date of birth. Now the name can be anything like Peter, Mary, Jane, John Doe, Lois. Okay, now I've been entering the name, and then after entering the name I then press enter to go down the Excel sheet. Let's say you want to make these bold. You select them by clicking the first one and dragging to the last one, and going up here and click on bold, or even bump up the size from 11 to 12 or 13 or 14 like what I've done. I can even go here and underline these by clicking underline, and my titles will be underlined. If I want to enter the city and I know all these people are in one city, it's easier for me to put the same city here by highlighting all the cells of the city. However, some people would say, okay, the city here is Pretoria, and I can type Pretoria, press enter, type again Pretoria. I'll get the suggestion and just press enter, and then put P, press enter, put P, press enter, going on like this until I finish. It's another way Excel helps you, but there is an easier way of doing this. I'm going to take off this so that you can see the easier way of doing this. You just highlight all of the cells that you want to enter data in, then you type without clicking anything. You type the data that you want to put there, hold control, press enter, and this helps quite a lot if you really want to enter data like this. I'm going to be talking about autofill in a very long video on that, so you just leave that for